fix Roblox cursor going off screen. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First thing to do is to go to your apps and then search for Roblox. And then you have three options here. When you tap these three dots, click this advanced options. Now scroll down and click first this reset here. Tap reset. And also you have to click this repair. So you just have to wait for a couple of seconds or minutes. It depends on how fast your computer or laptop. Now, another method we have here is to simply close this one and then go to your control panel, go to settings, and then look for apps installed or apps and features. Okay. Now, once you go to your apps, you just have to scroll down or you just have to search Roblox here to make it easier. Okay, so I'm going to search Roblox, and then here all I have to do is to simply uninstall this. So uninstall this Roblox Player for Home, Roblox Studio for Home. So install this. And then after you install this application, you just have to exit and then go to the next method. If after doing this, it doesn't solve the problem, then proceed to the next step. Go to Microsoft Store and then install Roblox. Get Roblox. Now, if you don't have one, then you can also go to Google Chrome and then search for Roblox. Now, what you're going to do with downloading using Google Chrome is that you just have to simply look for a specific game, tap the screen here, and then tap download and install. Then you just have to run administrator, and you can see here, you can play the Roblox. Now, if these methods don't work, then proceed to the next one, which is to restart your computer. And once you log into your Roblox again, I do really hope that it will fix the issue of your cursor going off screen. Now, the very last thing to do is to simply go to your Roblox game, and then you just have to press F11 to make the game full screen. So, I hope that doing one of these methods can totally solve the problem of cursor going off screen in Roblox. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.